Screw the hair restoration journey, and let's get right to your destination, getting your hair back. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because that's how I keep going and bring you the best tips and tricks and knowledge on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about something that somebody brought to my attention not long ago. And for all of you DIYers out there, this is something you're going to probably love. What is it? AIRCUT. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a blow dryer? No, it's AIRCUT. AIRCUT is a self-haircutting system. Now, years ago, there was something out called Flowbee, and Flowbee was a self-haircutting system that you would hook up to your vacuum cleaner, and you'd put the vacuum hose, and you would suck the hair up, and it would cut the hair. But the problem was, it was your vacuum cleaner, and you had to get all these. Well, this kind of solves the whole problem. It's a vacuum and a cutter all in one. It's easy to clean. You got a filter inside that you can remove and wash off, clean off all the hair. In the front, it's got teeth that will cut the hair. On the button, it has two different controls. It has cut and vacuum. Along with it, it comes with all these different guards, cutting guards. You have long, which is 4 inches, and then you have as short as a 1/2 inch. And you also have tapered for the sides. So you get that tapered edges on the side. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take an old hair system of mine that's already been cut short, but I want to cut it shorter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the super short 1/2 inch. So we're going to put this on, and what I suggest is that you get the hair sticking up. If the hair is wet, it's not going to cut. But you see I have it going upright. All right, so what we're going to do is, this gets a little noisy, so be patient, and we're going to turn it on to the vacuum first, and then we're going to flip it over to the cut. So the vacuum is going to pull it up, and then the cut's going to cut it. All right? So vacuum, and then cut. Now you can see the difference already in what we cut. There to there. And you got yourself a pretty good flat top. It's not going to be perfect. But now we want this long hair in the front. We want to cut this down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a longer guard, and we're going to stick this on, and we're going to cut that. We're going to suck the hair up. Then we're going to cut. And we're going to work our way down gradually. And I always suggest that you do it in sections, because this is only so large, the opening. So you can't put a bunch of hair in. And if you put a bunch of hair and you squeeze it together, the hair out here is going to be long because you're pulling it to the middle. So you want to just keep it pretty much sectioned for the width of the area you're using. Okay, so as you can see, we've taken this down shorter in the front and the top. It's got a pretty even look to it. Once you put product and you style it, it's going to come together. All right, so this is a quick, easy way to do your own hair. Again, it's called AIRCUT. Check out the description below to tell you where to get it. It's pretty cool. AIRCUT. Check it out for all you DIYers. This is a pretty cool product. It gives you that flexibility of the DIY, doing your own hair. You can't screw it up too much. You still might have to go to a stylist or a barber maybe to tweak out the edges just a little bit. But at the end of the day, this might be for some of you people that are not able to get to a stylist or get to a hair replacement studio. The AIRCUT might be the answer for your DIY haircutting issues. All right, guys. If you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. Again, in the description, you'll find the link to purchasing AIRCUT. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.